At YouTube, we take account security seriously. In this video, we'll give you tips for keeping your channel safe. We encourage you to take 4 simple steps to secure your account. First, turn on two-step verification for the account. Second, set and regularly check your channel level permissions. Next, create a strong password and don't share it. And finally, be aware of and report potential scams. Two-step verification helps prevent a hacker from getting into your account, even if they gain access to your login information. You can turn this on by going to myaccount.google.com/security. Once there, click two-step verification, then get started. Once you verify your account info, you'll be able to set up a device to receive a secure notification. If you'd like to use your phone, you'll need to make sure you're signed into your Google account. To send a secure notification to your phone, click Try It Now. Once you tap Yes on your device, you'll be asked to set up a backup text or phone call option. After you confirm this backup option, click Turn On to enable two-step verification. It's also important to know who has access to your channel. To stay safe, check your permissions regularly and remove anyone you don't recognize or who shouldn't have access. Check out the links below to learn more. A strong and complex password helps prevent hackers from guessing your login information. Here are some tips for creating a strong password. Make it more than 8 characters long. Use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information and common words or patterns like password123 or your birthday. And remember, don't share your password or login with anyone. Hackers can disguise themselves as someone you trust to try and take personal information. YouTube emails only come from @youtube.com or @google.com email addresses. Don't reply, click on links, or open attachments from suspicious emails or messages. YouTube Studio provides at-a-glance and in-depth analytics to help you analyze your videos and your channel. From the YouTube Studio dashboard, you can see the performance of your latest video compared to your typical video performance. You'll see how it ranks against your last 10 videos, along with its views, average view duration, and watch time. The channel dashboard also provides a quick glance at your overall channel analytics. Here you can see your current subscribers, a summary of your views and watch time in the last 28 days, and your top videos from the last 48 hours. Now let's look at the analytics page, where you can deep dive into all of your data. You can do so for your channel as a whole, for a video group, or for a specific video by clicking into a video or searching for it. From an individual video, click the back arrow to head back to your overall channel analytics. Note that anywhere in analytics, you can change the date range that you want to look at. Consider ranges of 90 or more days in order to get a sense of long-term performance trends. You can also hover over any metric in analytics to get more information about it. Or you can click the See More button on any card to review additional data or to compare different metrics, time periods, videos, or groups. Click the X in the top right corner to go back. The Overview tab is your starting point for any channel performance reviews. It provides personalized insights about your channel's performance and gives a high-level look at key performance stats like views, watch time, subscribers, and, if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, estimated revenue. You'll see insights on how each metric is doing compared to your typical past performance, and you can click on any of these to update the graph below. This graph charts day-by-day performance changes for the selected metric. The play button icons below the graph indicate any videos published, so you can also compare any of these metrics against your most recent uploads for the selected date range. The Overview tab also shows the real-time activity for your videos from the last 48 hours, and your top videos for your selected time period. You can also see a snapshot of the performance for your last 10 videos, similar to what you see in your channel dashboard. If you're looking at a specific video, the Overview tab will show your video's views, watch time, and subscribers gained or added. You'll also see the audience retention, likes versus dislikes, and the real-time activity for that video. Aside from the Overview tab, you'll see the Reach, Engagement, and Audience tabs. And if you're in the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see an additional Revenue tab listed in Analytics. The Reach tab is your central source for data on how many viewers you're reaching and how you're reaching them. This includes impressions, click-through rate, and unique viewers. Impressions are counted every time a viewer comes across one of your video thumbnails on YouTube. Click-through rate shows you how often viewers clicked into a video after seeing an impression, which results in a view. And unique viewers shows the estimated number of different people who come to watch your videos over a set time period. The Reach tab also shows various information about your video's traffic sources and the surfaces driving viewers to your content. Finally, there's the viewership funnel, which provides insight into the viewership process, starting with the serving of an impression all the way to how those clicks and views led to watch time. You can increase the chance of YouTube suggesting your content by increasing your click-through rate and your video watch time. The Engagement tab provides data on viewer attention, including watch time, average view duration, and end screens. Average view duration will give you the estimated average minutes watched per view on a piece of content. This allows you to know how long viewers are watching a video before moving on to another piece of content. The end screen data here provides information on what end screen elements are best resonating with your audience. At the video level, this is also where you'll find information on audience retention, likes versus dislikes, and, if you've added them, the end screen element click rate. You can use the Audience tab of Analytics to learn about who is watching your videos. This tab will show unique viewers, average views per viewer, and subscribers. These metrics combined give you an idea of the size of your audience, as well as their level of engagement. You can also see watch time from subscribers. At the channel level, you'll also see the bell notifications card. This provides information on the portion of your subscribed audience who have enabled all notifications for your channel, and also those who have enabled notifications for their account and device. This tab also gives you information on the viewers watching your channel, like their gender, age group, and where they're located. Finally, if you're a member of the YouTube Partner Program, you'll see an additional Revenue tab listed in Analytics. Here, you'll be able to review revenue data, such as estimated revenue, monetized playbacks, and playback-based CPM. You'll also see your monthly estimated revenue, your top earning videos, and a breakdown of your revenue sources and top ad types. In YouTube Analytics, you can click Advanced Mode or See More beneath most reports to expand them. This view gives you more options for getting data. You can use the Escape key or click the X to leave Advanced Mode or an expanded report. In the top right-hand corner, you can change the date range you want to look at. You can also use the search bar to look at analytics for a specific video, playlist, or group. Groups allow you to analyze and understand segments of your content. They can help you identify trends for specific types of content you make. For example, if a specific topic performs better than another, or how your shorter form videos perform compared to your longer form ones, and much more. To create a group, click on your channel name, and then select Groups. All of your previously created groups automatically save, which is the list you see here. If you've never created a group before, or if you want to create a new one, click Create New Group. This will bring you to a screen that allows you to enter a group name and select the videos you want to add to that group. Once you select all the videos you want for that group, click Save. Now that group will show up in the list and will be searchable here. There are many other ways you can filter your data with Advanced Mode. This filter allows you to filter data by geography, subscription status, and more. The top row allows you to choose a dimension to break down your data in a different way. If you click here, you can change the metric you're viewing in the line chart. And here, you can select a secondary metric to look at. Keep in mind that you can hover over any part of the chart for more details. You can also change the chart type and switch between daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly views. The table below the chart gives you a further breakdown of your data. You can check the boxes next to individual rows in the table to change what you're looking at in the chart. Each item checked will now have a corresponding line or bar in the chart. You can also add a metric to the table by clicking this plus sign. You can add metrics like average view duration, likes versus dislikes, information about end screens and cards, and much more. To remove a metric from your report, click this three-dot options menu and then hide metric. Keep in mind that some combinations of data are not supported, depending on what you're trying to look at. Rows that are written in blue text can be clicked to get more detailed data. For instance, if you're viewing traffic sources, you can click results like YouTube search to learn what specific searches led to traffic on your channel. This view also allows you to compare different videos, groups, or time periods. Select Compare To compare two items. This is an incredibly useful tool if you're trying to see how your channel performs year over year, or to look at how your latest videos or series compare against each other. Once you start comparing two items, you can also change the report, timeframes, and metrics you want to analyze. Finally, you can use this view to export your data. You can view up to 50 rows of data in YouTube Studio. To get up to 500 rows of data, click this export icon to download a report of the data you're looking at.